Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Fortress Portable Grill and the Weber Summit S-470. Quite a difference in size and price, huh?
Definitely. The Nexgrill is like $180 and designed for portability. The Weber, at around $2,300, is a full-blown outdoor kitchen.
Exactly. Let's talk BTUs. The Nexgrill has 13,500 BTUs across 2 burners. Good for a small grill.
The Weber, though, blows it away with 48,800 BTUs just for the main burners. Plus, it has a side burner, a sear station burner, and even a smoker burner. It's got all the bells and whistles.
And cooking space? The Nexgrill offers a modest 263 square inches. Fine for a couple of people.
The Weber boasts a whopping 580 square inches. You could cook for a whole party on that thing.
Portability is the Nexgrill's strong suit, though, right? It weighs only 28.7 pounds. You can easily take it camping.
No way you're lugging the Weber anywhere. It's a substantial piece of equipment. Speaking of materials, the Nexgrill is cast aluminum, and the Weber is stainless steel.
Right, and the Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids, which is nice for heat retention. It even has a griddle insert.
The Weber uses stainless steel grates and flavorizer bars. It's all about that professional grilling experience.
The Weber has some cool features like lighted control knobs. Fancy!
And an LED fuel gauge. Never run out of propane unexpectedly. Plus, the rotisserie burner is a really nice touch.
Yeah, but for someone just wanting a small, portable grill for occasional use, the Nexgrill seems like a great, economical option.
Absolutely. But if you're serious about grilling and want all the features and cooking space imaginable, and you have the budget, the Weber Summit S-470 is the way to go. It's an investment.
So it all boils down to intended use and how much you're willing to spend. A compact portable grill, or a full-fledged outdoor cooking experience.
Exactly. Different grills for different grilling needs.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.